How to delete watch history on YouTube. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can delete your YouTube watch history in just few simple steps. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to delete your YouTube watch history, first of all open your YouTube app and click on your profile picture on the bottom right corner. And then click on setting gear on the top right corner. Just scroll down and here you can see manage all settings. Click on it. And just scroll down and here you will see all your YouTube watch history. If you want to delete all your YouTube watch history, just click on this delete button. And from here you have to select delete all. And from here you have to confirm delete. And you can see our YouTube watch history has been deleted successfully. So guys, in this way you can delete your YouTube watch history very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.